Mr. P.K. Goyal, Director of Finance with Indian Oil Corporation, that's IOC, joins us live with a take on how the new Iran deal will change fortunes for Indian OMC sector and and IOC in particular. Mr. Goyal, good morning and thank you for joining us. So what is your understanding? Is the Iran deal a big windfall for you?
No, we are a very small purchaser of Iranian crude. We take hardly 2% of the total requirement for our refineries. But for the Indian refiners, definitely it will be a good move.
Mr. Goyal, morning. Do you foresee a significant correction in oil prices in the coming months?
It's very difficult to predict the oil prices, but definitely this is a positive move.
But now that the decks have been cleared, would you be tempted to relook at Iran as a big outsourcing hub for crude?
No, till now the limit for purchase of crude oil is fixed, and it's very difficult to predict next year what will be because this year we have already a term contract with them. Next year we have not decided as on today.
But Mr. Goyal, right now it's a double gainer for you because not only crude prices are easing, but the US dollar as well is correcting. So that's surely going to benefit you guys.
No, the rupee, if you see, is stable for the last 3-4 months. It is between 62.50 to 63 or 62 to 63. It is stable. So we can't say that is, but for the last 3 months it is in this range only. But definitely crude price has come down. This is a positive move for the industry.
And how much would your subsidy burden come down by?
No, it is very difficult to do. As on today also we have a under-recovery on HSD of 9 rupees 69 paisa. And SKO is 35.77 paisa.
Mr. Goyal, the oil minister recently said that in about 6 months, diesel prices will be totally market linked. A, do you agree with that? And B, has the oil minister discussed any plan to achieve that with you guys?
No, it has not been discussed, but as per the instruction, we will be definitely increasing 50 paisa every month the prices.
I want to know about the Iranian crude or the Iranian, oil, so to speak. Tell me a bit about the quality of oil there. Is it grade 1, grade 2, sweet crude, hard crude?
No, it is a high sulfur crude, and we are using this crude for our refinery in very small quantity, 2% of our total refinery throughput. It is only 1.5 or 1.2 million ton in our refineries. But for other refiners in India, they are using a very high quantity of this crude.
Any estimates on how much India imports from Iran?
It's around between 10 to 11 million ton. Yeah.
Okay. Yesterday, oil marketing stocks went up with the assumption that the new Iranian deal will change fortunes of oil marketing companies. So what you are saying is that this move will not nudge the needle, at least for IOC.
No, I mentioned that we are importing very less crude of Iranian crude. Yeah, it is hardly 2% of our total requirement.
But if given an option to import more, would you be looking at increasing your total purchases from Iran?
Definitely, with the commissioning of a new refinery in Paradip next year, definitely we'll relook into it. Yeah.
Okay.